Alright, so I've been working on my 97 Isuzu Rodeo. Um, Started to actually replace the spark plugs, which they have these coils right here, and you got to undo the screws there, and the coil, it just lifts out, and the spark plugs are right underneath. On the driver's side, it was simple, just move this out of the way. On the other side, it wasn't so simple. Helps to unplug the coil packs. You got this engine mount bracket, and it's right in the way right here of this screw that holds the coil pack down. Well, when I took it out, unfortunately, let's see, the coil pack, sure it is, was broken. So here you have a broken coil pack. Little did I know, these things, you go to your typical auto parts store, are $100 to replace. And there's one over each cylinder. I, however, found them on Amazon for $63 a piece. But it's the main thing that gets sparked to your spark plugs, and if it's broken, you try and use it, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about using it. It's going to make your engine misfire. So, if you got a rodeo and you got this problem, don't try and break your coil pack, and don't try and repair your coil pack. Just have to suck it up and buy a new one. And keep in mind, though, you can probably find one on Amazon for $63 like I did. Or you can go to the auto parts store and pay $100. But on Amazon, it's free shipping. So, I'll tell you what, you get into cars and start doing one thing, and next thing you know, you're $100 into something. So.